Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, very happy 1 year anniversary to my channel. Yay! I'm so happy. My channel is finally 1 year old, and it's been 1 year since I'm uploading videos. So I'm very happy that my channel hit 1 year. Time passes very soon, right? So I put up a story on Instagram. That you can ask me any kind of questions of which you like. So yeah, you asked me questions, and thank you so much for everyone who asked me questions. I really appreciate you guys. So this is the very first Q&A on my channel. So yeah, let's just start with the video. Let's start with the first question. Okay, so a lot of you all give me questions and compliments too. I put up a picture like this. So yeah, I have gone your. I've seen your response. Some of you ask questions, some of you ask compliment me. So yeah, let's just start. By the way, I have very less time. I have to make this video in hurry because it's 7th of May 4 p.m. like it's almost 4. I have to upload this video on 6 p.m. anyhow. So if this video uploads 6 p.m. 7th May, please clap for me because 2 घंटे में I'll have to edit and upload. So yeah, let's start in a hurry. So the first question is when will your next video come? By Ayush. Thank you so much for asking me. This is my next video and it's coming in 2 hours. So I know I have been like not been most active YouTuber ever since because it was actually very difficult for me to time manage between my YouTube and other things, my personal things and stuff like that. So but yeah, from now I will be constant and I'll try to be as active as possible on YouTube. So I'm sorry for not uploading videos constantly, periodically, but for now I will do my best. Okay, so the next question is by Amit Sethi. अगर कोई job हो तो बता दो. Sorry, I can't tell you a job right now. This is not in my blues. I wish you find one very soon. I hope, I pray. But I'm sorry, I can't tell you. I don't know any kind of these things. But okay, I'm sorry. The next question is lockdown कब खत्म होगा? मुझे भी नहीं पता, किसी को नहीं पता, गवर्नमेंट को भी नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं पता लॉकडाउन कब खत्म होगा. आई होप जल्दी खत्म हो जाए बट मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है. आई एम सो सॉरी. मैं भी चाहती हूँ जल्दी खत्म हो जाए बट पता नहीं कब खत्म होगा. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस क्यों पूछते हो यार? ओके, आई एम ट्राइंग टू कंट्रोल माई लाफ्टर. Why this question? Are you trying to make fun? Okay, whatever. Okay, so the next question is best foundation for oily skin by Rhythmic Girl. Yeah, finally a good question after so long time. A question finally that's in my comfort zone. Okay, so coming back to the answer, I have make an entire video on foundations for every skin type. I'll put a picture over here so you can watch it. Also इसकी link मैं description में डाल दूंगी. So आपने mostly नहीं देखी. I think you haven't watched because if you watched you should not ask me the question. But okay, I'll put up that video on the description. But you are asking me, so my answer is Huda Beauty, Maybelline Fit Me, and one more foundations which is also from Maybelline, the Super Stay 24-hour full coverage matte foundation. So I like these 3 foundations a lot. These are best for oily skin, all 3 of them. This is a little pricey, this is a little high end, but it is amazing. If you once invest in it, will do wonders of your oily skin. It will never cake up, never budge from anywhere. and it is best foundation for oily skin. If you want to invest, this is the best, but this is a pricey, I think 3500 something. And if you don't want to invest, if you don't do a lot of makeup on a daily basis, these two are best. This is the Super Stay. This stays also for longer time. This is a little less. This will stay around 11 to 12 hours. This lost you around 5 to 6 hours if I'm not wrong. So yeah, the Maybelline Fit Me, the the packaging has been ripped off unfortunately, but you know how Maybelline Fit Me looks like, because this is very old and I've been using this a lot, because I used to have oily skin back then, back like 2-3 years before then. So like I've tried this foundation. I have like tell everything in detail about this foundation in a video, in my previous video. So I would suggest you to watch that video. So yeah, अभी अगर मैं बोलूंगी तो वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. So let's move on to another question, which is the next question is, यार कुछ boys के face glow करने के लिए बताओ. Okay, so boys, I know you are someone who don't use a lot of things for your skin. Like you hardly do anything for your skin. I know you don't do anything, but the least can you do is wash your face 2 times, morning and night. Then after waking up and before sleeping, wash your face 2 times. And if you go out and then come inside home, just wash your face. अभी तो लॉकडाउन में तो कहीं जा नहीं रहे हैं, but on a regular basis at least wash your face 2 times. And week में एक बार you can scrub off your face, like जो scrub आते हैं उसमें granules होते हैं, boys, if you know what I mean, or if you ask to your female best friend. So yeah, just wash your face 2 times and at least once in a week just scrub. I know इससे ज़्यादा आप नहीं करोगे, boys नहीं करते इससे ज़्यादा. So yeah. Okay, I know a lot of boys who don't do anything but still shining, so you can glow. Okay, so the next question is कहाँ से हो? Okay, I know बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता है कि where I'm from. Okay, so I am from लखनऊ, उत्तर प्रदेश. यूपी की कैपिटल लखनऊ. मैं लखनऊ से हूँ, यूपी से हूँ. लखनऊ में कहाँ से हूँ ये सीक्रेट है. Okay. So the next question is simple hack for cleaning makeup. Makeup brushes, sorry. Yeah, simple hack for cleaning makeup brushes. Brushes, I find the very convenient way to wash makeup brushes is, first of all, just take a bowl, fill it with some water, some baby oil and some micellar water. Dip your brush, all the brushes, and leave it for around 2-3 hours, and then all the makeup and everything will be melt down, just because of the oil and the micellar water. Just thoda sa micellar water and baby oil, that's it, and water. You can also add shampoo. Yeah, add shampoo also. Shampoo is very important to make up a foam. Okay, add shampoo too. So you can add baby shampoo, any mild shampoo you can add, and then dip it and leave for 2 hours. And after that, just take your brush, rub in somewhere, like on a cloth or maybe the makeup, जो makeup silicone के जो makeup वो आते हैं, brush cleaner. I have one. उसके पिक्चर में डाल दूंगी अगर आपके पास होगी तो. So just rub your brush to that and your brush will be squeaky clean. I find this the best way. Or you can just take a soap bar. ये मैं usually करती हूँ कि just take a soap bar, take your brush, wet it and just rub your brush on the soap bar and then clean it. अच्छे से 100% clean हो जाएगा. So yeah, that's the most convenient way. मैं ऐसे अपने brush क्लीन करती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे ब्रश बहुत जल्दी गंदे होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा गंदे जाते हैं क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप करना होता है, क्योंकि on a regular basis, I think. Yeah. So the next question is how to minimize open pores. You find a lot of pore minimizing toners on Nykaa and Purple. So my best favorite toner is the Jovi's toner and the Biotic pore tightening toner. ये 2 टोनर बहुत सही होते हैं for minimizing pores. And if you want a DIY, if you don't want to purchase another toner, because अभी तो purchase थोड़ी सी मुश्किल हो जाएगी because lockdown है, तो you can just take a jar and add some water, add some cucumber slices and add some mint leaves. leave the water overnight for 24 hours and then आपका जो टोनर है वो बन जाएगा. Just take cotton pad and उस water को dip it into some cotton pad and apply it all over. Just press the toner on your skin and yeah, उससे भी बहुत ज्यादा effective होता है pores tightening के लिए. Or you can do the third option. You can do take some aloe vera, ice cube में just put some aloe vera and उसकी बर्फ जमा दो, इसको फ्रीजर में रख दो. And after that take out some aloe vera ice cube and then rub it around your pores. Or yeah, just rub it around your pores and do this thing daily. एक आइस ट्रे लेके उसको फ्रीजर में रख दो, डेली आइस क्यूब निकाल के just you know rub it around and उसमें एलोवेरा डाल दिया. और एलोवेरा के साथ साथ you can also add some drops of lemon. Yeah, that's it. बहुत सिंपल है बट बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्टिव है. Okay, so the next question is how to get black hairs naturally. This can be a little typical. Black hairs naturally. Start eating amla. Okay, start eating amla or amla candy also available. So yeah, start eating that. And if you're getting gray hairs premature, like if you're very young and you're getting gray hairs, separate your comb or your towels from others. If you share your comb or something, separate, like make your own like जो भी आप कोम वगैरह यूज करते हो वो सिर्फ आप यूज करो, किसी और को यूज करने ना दो. सो सेपरेट आपकी सारी जो भी हेयर में एक्सेसरी, जो हेयर की चीजें होती हैं. एंड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम केमिकल बेस्ड थिंग्स एंड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ऑल द केमिकल्स. अगर आप मेहंदी है ना कुछ भी लगाते हो और you know कलर वगैरह करते हो, मत करो. if you are very young, don't do that. and start eating healthy, start eating vitamins and calcium and आंवला जरूर खाना, उससे हेयर्स पे बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है. alright, so the next question is how are you so beautiful? Am I beautiful? If I am, thank you so much. You don't like, how are you so beautiful? Like everyone is beautiful in their own way. I am beautiful, you are beautiful, every one of you is beautiful. So you don't have to do anything to look beautiful, but you are beautiful. You can enhance your beauty with some type of grooming, but you are beautiful. You are beautiful by doing nothing as well. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. This is the end of the video. एक दो और questions हैं I think, जो कि अभी वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, हम next time उसका आंसर जरूर करेंगे. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you like this video and enjoy, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy 1 year anniversary again to my channel. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye, take care.